What's up everybody, Disney Pixar Cars fan here, back again with another video. So in today's video, which I'm very sorry, this is a quite a bit of a late upload or so, I'm very sorry though. So anyways, as you can see, I have like few packages right in front of me, and few cars right in front of me as well. Because all about in this featured video that I'm supposed to be are like the missing cars that I'm still missing, like from I guess 2023, and then the from missing from the few cases of 2024 cars cases of 2024. So yeah. So without any more rambling and stuff, let's get on started with the video. But before I start, which I'm planning on to review this for a long time, which is just a quick review as a bonus, special bonus by the way for this video is this. Maybe wondering why do I have a McDonald's Happy Meal on my hands. As you can see, number 3 says there Disney Pixar Cars, obviously from Cars on the Road. This is actually back then 2022. Pretty much ordered it online, which sadly though they only have this Mater available, which is the Road Rumbler variant of Mater. Which I'll be comparing it later on once I get this guy out of the package. I'll be also cutting this video because I have to. There are some stickers as I have seen inside the package. As you can see right there, there are some stickers that you have to apply on it. So I'll be right back with this car all opened up. And by the way, I also have my trusty scissors with me. Man, it's my neck. I hope I don't cut my. Oh my goodness, I nearly had it. Okay, I guess that was a quite a bit of an easy open. Okay, so I'll be right back with. So again, I'll be right back with this guy, with these stickers all with all of his stickers all put on. If I can find it actually. Never mind, there they are. Anyways, I'll be right back. So I'm back. With this toy all stickered up. As you may see on the window windows, here we go. I quite a bit had a bit of a hard time in putting them because they're such small like inserts for the stickers. As you can see right there, it's not actually completely filled in. I don't know. I guess I didn't do that much of a good job on it, but anyways, it's actually pretty decent toy. Wheels don't roll, by the way. Here's the other side. I completely struggled. I'm completely bad at putting stickers, especially with these type of plastic toy cars, especially like the Happy Meal ones. As you can see, yes, the maze, the like spiky ball for the maze type thing on this like towing hook, just like resemblance of the actual release, diecast release. Which this is actually a pullback if I'm not mistaken. If you pull it back, oh my goodness, oh whoops, if you pull it back it would just actually, oh whoa, there we go, it actually goes like that, it goes by its own. So that's pretty much it for this car. And then now in comparison with the actual release, diecast 155 scale release of Road Rumbler Mater, it's completely less detailed compared to the diecast version. It's like missing the little like flamethrower on top, but it's almost extremely accurate. But I'm still looking forward in collecting these. Looks like I got them right, I guess, for the stickers. Well, okay. And then that's so. Anyways, that's that out of the way. Zoom. Oh yeah, there we go. So let's get on with the actual main parts of the video. So let's start off first with this package on my right. As you can see, I have already opened it. I have showed you like quite a bit of glimpse as I was trying to lift it up, and as I was trying to pick it up, showing the camera. As you can see, it's obviously from Cars on the Road. Not gonna spoil it. So we're gonna. By the way, quick story though. Before I start, before I unbox these cars for you guys. So as you may see, I'm supposed to order these guys, all 5 of them actually, but so too bad, so sad, they actually came in separately. I have to order them separately. I thought they would came in like all together. So turns out I just ordered this guy first. Like way overpriced when I ordered these, like due to the rarity of the how rare are these that you can actually buy online actually nowadays. So yeah. So anyways, let's get on with the first card that I have in package, which is none other than another Salt Flats Racer, yay, which is Kirsten Marshall. One of the main highlights, at least for me, of 2023. As you can see, as the little TV logo right there. Back then, when they used to still use the Cars on the Road type of design for the card packaging type of stuff, with the little map, the back of the card, as you can see right there. New for 2023, nice card, and I really can't wait and dying to get this car out of its package. Once I get my actual review on them, I can wait to get this guy on my hands. It says there, by the way, also Cars, Disney Pixar Cars on the Road, number 04, with a very nice yellow paint job, black tires and yellow rims. And then at the back, it shows other releases from this collection, as obviously as seen on Cars on the Road. It shows Kirsten himself, Greebles, Capeller, Royce Revsley, which I don't have, is oh no, I completely blanked out. I actually don't have these though, which I don't have is, oh no, I forgot. Which is actually almost like the reskinned, completely like the complete reskinned of Bill Revs, I guess, from Cars 3, from like the Codderpin series, which like the voice is sort of like a female character. Then we have Speed Demon right here. Oh, Griswold. So this is actually Griswold, which I still don't have, and I'm still needing also Speed Demon. So that's pretty much it for Kirsten. We're moving on to the big box. So this is actually the four remaining cars that I'm still missing. As you can see right there, it's pretty heavy. That's like a bit of weight to it. without further ado, let's get this guy out of... Oh, there we go. As you can see, they actually use like this type of plastic type of reusable type of lids for the packaging, as they were like packaging this. Oh, they're actually using like the disposable, the seller where I bought these guys from. This is their... But in this case, it's actually using, it says their Jollibee family pack. Jolly Spaghetti, Palabok, others. So that's pretty much it. I think too much. They just pretty much use these disposable type of containers. Like some other previous cars that I ordered, they also from, I guess, almost the same seller, they actually put those disposable containers on, like, as they ship them off to you, I guess. But not quite so sure about that. So anyways, we're moving right along. So first car that I would be getting out of this box is, which I better move this off to my side. Oh no. Here we go. So it's a ghost car, another ghost car, but this time in diecast, 155 scale diecast form. Once again, new for 2023 with the little TV and with the like little TV from Disney Pixar Cars on the Road. It's actually Mallory Carhut, which is not to be confused with Diana Gerdado, which was released back then as a color changer, 2022, or wait, I guess 2023, I guess. I don't even quite remember, but Insanity, the paint is actually really different, yes, and then like has some matte finish to it. I can't wait to review these cars. Very nice picture of her on her card. At the back, it pretty much shows some other releases from this collection. Once again, as seen on Cars on the Road, it shows Rumbler Mater, Mateo, I don't have him yet whatsoever, Westphalanopus, Mato, Griswold, and Quadratorkasaur, which they released actually as a color changer was the baby Quadratorkasaur. This might be, so this is the stock image for the adult mama or daddy Quadratorkasaur. So it's pretty much it. So that's Diana Gerdado. Next car, please. Next car, please. And then we're moving on. Next up we have is, oh, okay. So we have a clown car. My very first clown car, aside from, I don't remember its name, which is sort of looks like the circus van from Cars 1, which was a release back then, 2016, which sort of has like those big ears. Oh yeah. So anyways, we're back. So it's a Volkswagen Beetle. Let's see. Seen obviously from Disney Pixar Cars on the Road. New for 2023, and her name is Kelly Beambright, which is a pretty small car, to be honest. Let's see, in size in comparison with McQueen, very small car. Cool. Oh man, quite a lot to talk about this. I'm gonna compare to several other VW bugs that's almost exactly the same as her. See, I've seen cars on the road. Kelly Beambright. And then on the back, another new set of cars on the back. As obviously as seen on Cars on the Road. This time it shows Breaker Boggs with the flaming barrel. May Pelardurev, West Philanopus. This guy, don't remember his name. And Rumbler Lightning McQueen and Rumbler Mater. Road Rumbler Lightning McQueen and Mater I meant. So that's it for Kelly Beambright. I also love her like cute little clown nose and stuff. Very nice. So by the way, this car is also like one of the very first clown cars that they released. I have to look up for the name. I might remember it sooner. Just like earlier I blanked out with the with Griswold. So oh, this is a heavy one. Ooh, yes. We've been waiting for this guy for quite a while now, which is Quadratorkasaur. I mean, back then when these guys were first named, were like some type of concept arts, which I was quite worried that I won't be able to memorize their names. So that's why I have to screenshot from that one specific video that Mr. Docket uploaded with these unnamed dinosaurs, which they're like the Tyrannosaurus Rex, which is like the Chomp and Chase one or some sort. Actually, this is actually his re-release back then, 2023. Now in the Red Riders packaging instead of the on the road packaging, which they actually showed on the card is actually the art for the baby Quadratorkasaur, and then not like for the adult or mama daddy, or more like I guess the adult Quadratorkasaur, which is they actually corrected the artwork for this guy. So you can see it's nowhere similar. I mean, I guess maybe hopefully in the future they would actually release this guy as a 155 scale diecast. Even however, this guy was also released as a mini racer. Here's his card, by the way. Very nice. Then at the back shows one of the highlight cars for 2024, which is Rodet Marker Randy, released from 2023. Kirsten Motto, Mallory Carhut, and this guy, which is I don't remember his name, but he's like some sort of one of those rescue vehicles from the Piston Cup Cars 3, which is almost like a reskinned as seen from the trucks episode. So yeah, so that's it for the Quadratorkasaur. Coming up, last but not the least, for number 4 is, remove this guy out of the way, is this was also released 2023, like few years back. So this is actually 2022 release, new for 2022, as you can see right there with the little TV. I see Disney Pixar Cars on the Road. As you can see, it's Cruz Ramirez, but her name is Rusty's Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. says right there, but it kinda doesn't make sense, which they named her like back then Rusty's Racing Center Cruz Ramirez or something. Thousand Rusty's Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. And then 2023 when it comes around, like they actually renamed her into Rusty's Racing Center Cruz Ramirez, which they should have called her like Wedding Day, more like Wedding Day Cruz Ramirez, because she was as seen on the wedding scene from the Getting Hitched episode. She was seen when like more like his cousin Mateo is getting married to Mater's sister, however, which is Mato. Then here she is side by side with her original counterpart, which I like the huge improvement of the paint that they give to her. They actually changed it up a bit. So you can see 51, they actually remove all of her Dinoco decals and stuff. So that's pretty much her. And then here's the back. As you can see, as seen from Disney Pixar Cars on the Road, it shows her on the road, McQueen, Kay, and then Royce, Griswold, and Speed Demon. One of the first 3 cars that were released on Cars on the Road, which was the incorrect Mater, which was completely similar to his OG counterpart, which they actually corrected 2023, which is this is the actual Cars on the Road Mater with almost like also the working tow hook. It's actually like a bit of raised up, as you can see right there. Like the front axle's raised up, and then has like a very nice happy expression with his mouth wide open. So yeah, it's pretty much it for Rusty's Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. Very nice. So that's it. Quite a bit of a long video, you guys, almost hitting I guess 20 minutes. Out of all of these, which one is your favorite? For mine, my personal favorite has to be, I don't know right now for the moment. My personal favorite, I guess now, is the baby Quadratorcosaur. So yeah. So I guess that's all I can say for this video. I guess so. See you in the next video, which will be on. See you on the next video, which will be on. I'm gonna do this in yearly order, on which year they actually came out. So see you on the review of Rusty's Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. So once again, see you soon for another video. So bye. So this is the Pixar Cars Over signing out, and peace out. This is the Pixar Cars fan signing out, and peace out.